forecast looks like here, because maybe you got a holiday party tonight. There will be some spots of rain here and there, but not a soaking and not a washout. Let's begin with radar. At this point, a lot of this is drizzle falling underneath the radar beam, so it's going to have a hard time seeing what's out there and falling from the sky, but you can see it kind of has a couple spots here and there, especially out towards the north and west of Austin, closer to Burnett. But I ran into some of these sprinkles on my way in this morning. I think if you've got early morning plans, it's certainly a possibility, and you're going to notice some wet roadways too from some overnight rain we had. We'll see landscape supplies weather camera there in Liberty Hill. Every once in a while I can see a flying sprinkle there, but there's a ton of cloud cover out there this morning. Those clouds helping to keep these temperatures up, in addition to that warm southerly flow down here at the surface. 68 degrees is how we start. We have everybody in the 60s. So this is a much different kind of weekend than what we were talking about last week. And last weekend we were coming off those 40s and that chilly rain. This is a much milder rain. The clouds are going to be pretty persistent, but I do anticipate some breaks of sun here and there. The rain chance, I'm just going to keep at 20%. And again, that skews very light. Let me show you the timing of this, because as we head into the later part of the morning, it's still very spotty. We continue with this spotty coverage heading into the afternoon. And when it comes to the later part of tonight into tomorrow, we still have a little bit of light rain out there. And this is going to continue into Monday and Tuesday. How about the potential rainfall totals? Not much, friends. I mean, over the next 48 hours, maybe we get 500 of an inch, but this is not going to be anything in the way of a drought-busting kind of rain. Wildfire danger, low to moderate. This is another benefit. We talked about the pollen count being on the lower side. Now the benefit of the rain is it's keeping our wildfire threat in check. Humidity is going to be high, fueling these spots of light rain today, tomorrow, and Tuesday. Then comes a cold front. This is going to bring in some much drier air and some much cooler temperatures. So temperatures will come down both in the afternoon and evening, but we're so warm ahead of this front that even with the cooler air behind it, we're still at normal, if not maybe just a few degrees below it. Our temperatures won't crater. So 7-day forecast, highs in the upper 70s today, tomorrow, and Tuesday. Rain chances at about 20 to 30%, meaning most of us will not see this. However, there will be some spots on radar of that drizzle, of that light rain. We're going to keep in that rain chance on Wednesday for one more day following that cold front, but here's that drop in temperatures coming down to the 60s. Plenty of sunshine, looking like real nice weather here as Texas comes home for the first playoff game. And then you're noticing those temperatures also taking a hit overnight from the 60s, waking up for the first part of the week. We drop down to those 40s later in the week, but still not expecting a freeze here in Austin over the next 7 days.